What's the best eSIM available right now? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and cost-effective eSIM for traveling, I'll show you how to pick the right one, and why Saily stands out as one of the most compelling options. To access Saily, use the link in the description, the pinned comment, or scan the QR code on screen. These are the only ways to activate the promo code I'm offering, which is also listed in the description. To choose a good eSIM, there are 4 essential things to look at. First, the price per gigabyte. Some eSIMs may look cheap at first, but offer very limited data. And it matters, because at airports, physical SIM cards are often 2 to 5 times more expensive than in regular stores, simply due to high demand. Many travelers don't realize this and end up overpaying. Second, network coverage. The quality always depends on the local network in the country you're visiting. Third, ease of installation. If it's complicated to set up, it defeats the whole purpose. And fourth, user reviews. A high rating with a large number of reviews is usually a strong sign of reliability. And these are exactly the areas where Saily performs particularly well. If you want to try Saily and get a discount, you can find the link to activate the promo code in the description, in the pinned comment, or simply by scanning the QR code on the screen. With Saily, setup only takes a few minutes. You select your destination, choose your data plan, and install your eSIM in just a few clicks before you even leave. As soon as you arrive, your phone automatically connects to the local network, and that makes a huge difference. Because landing in a new country without internet can quickly become stressful. You can't book a ride, contact your hotel, or even find your way without hunting for Wi-Fi. No need to look for a store. No need to remove your physical SIM card. No unexpected roaming charges. The result: more freedom and far less stress from the moment you arrive. It's simple, fast, and clearly designed for travelers. User feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Saily currently holds an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot, reflecting strong overall satisfaction. Common highlights include fast installation, instant connection upon arrival, a user-friendly app. Of course, speeds still depend on the local network in each country, but for navigation, social media, video streaming, or working while traveling, the experience is more than sufficient for most users. But if you want to form your own opinion and take advantage of the discount, the link to activate the promo code is in the description, in the pinned comment, or via the QR code shown on the screen. But then, why is it often better than roaming? Traditional carrier roaming can get very expensive. With an eSIM like Saily, you stay in control of your budget and avoid unpleasant surprises on your bill when you return. It's more transparent, more flexible, and often more affordable. The best eSIM always depends on your needs, but if you're looking for a simple, reliable, and well-rated option, Saily clearly stands out as one of the strongest choices available today. And if you want to easily activate your eSIM before your next trip, you can use the link and promo code available in the description, the pinned comment, or by scanning the QR code on screen. And if you want to get even more discounts on your next trips, feel free to check out the videos showing on your screen.